White labeling is the e-commerce business model lovechild of dropshipping and manufacturing. Just like dropshipping, you find a winning product that's already selling well, and just like manufacturing, you brand it as your own. Depending on what the item is, you may be able to brand the product or the packaging, or sometimes both. Unlike dropshipping though, you'll generally need to purchase a minimum number of products to white label them, meaning you'll also have to store, pack and ship them too. So what are the pros of white labeling? Well, you're selling an existing product which can potentially reduce the risks that exist with manufacturing, and you usually get the lowest cost per unit. So what are the cons of white labeling? Well, the cons of white labeling are quite similar to the cons of manufacturing. Your entry to market can be quite high, although perhaps not as high as manufacturing, since you may be able to negotiate a lower minimum order quantity. You need to think about warehousing and fulfillment, and you're stuck with any inventory if you can't sell it. The other con to white labeling is that although you have branded an item as your own, other people can do that too, meaning your product isn't unique in the market. Hey guys, love this video? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you get all the e-commerce goodness when it comes out. And remember, if you're looking for a platform to build your e-commerce site, head on to the link in the description for your special DashNex PowerTech offer. See you next time.